This screencast is part 2 on demonstrating new Studiocode version 10 code window features and functionality. There are 4 new features to extend the functionality of the code window. The first is the ability to add live text notes on deactivation of a code button. So for demonstration, looking first at the inspector for this code button, I've enabled live notes on deactivation. To take a look at how this will work, we'll go into code mode. We will select a label that's linked to communication skills. And on deactivation of communication skills, I can now add a note. And once I hit enter, my video will resume. The second feature is the ability to block deactivated actions. So once again, if I come into my inspector on my code window called Communication Skills, you'll notice a new option, Block Deactivate All. If this is enabled, when the deactivation action on the code window toolbar is pressed, this code window will not close. The third new feature is the ability to edit the name and type of the button in all 4 modes. And that's done by right-clicking on any button and changing the property. So once again, to demonstrate, once I'm in code mode and I want to change the name of this code button by right-clicking, I can change the name. We'll call it from Communication Skills just to Communication. And once again, as I code an effective example of communication, now in my timeline, you'll notice a brand new row corresponding to the new name was created. The fourth new feature is the ability to add labels to a code button with a right click while coding. So to demonstrate, we'll once again go into code mode. And as I'm watching the video and I see an example of communication that doesn't really quite fit the label of effective or non-effective, I can right-click on communication and add a label. This will present labels that are in my label tree. And for this example, I may want to initiate who this communication is associated with, and I can select anesthesiologist. And once that instance is marked in my timeline, I can then look to see that I've inserted the label anesthesiologist.